Well, tá muid súil go mór le tús a chur leis an gomórtas Craobh agus ar nóí chríochna blion Harbh omíoch an nura bhí go leor drámaíochta le feiceáil ach tá na foirne seo a tógáil agus tá na himráí a gcéire is dói a gcuid a haspáint tá sé tréis bheith Harbh omíoch agus tréis na strathe tá go leor caibhlinn sé eile bhééis sa teach chun chin.
Be gan na Chraobh an bhí trí chléanna dheacar gan san I Gréibh na mún nó anna héanaar na mecht anna bha im líana se anna dheacar éanaar na fiocamachchas agus nó míad fad asú leis sé an fág mí gimmert.
I think at the moment like ladies football is rising. I think it's becoming a popular sport and you can see that from the All-Ireland finals with the attendance that we've had and you know even in our own county Meath like the amount of young girls and boys going around in Meath ladies jerseys you know has been unbelievable. So you know to see them you know broadcasting more and more in games I think it's fantastic and it's only going to help our sport more and more.
Every year when you get to this stage you know it's exciting. Looking ahead to the All-Ireland Championship and I suppose every game you go out and play is going to be a tough one so we're just looking forward to the first round and the first game that we'll have coming up and I suppose that's all you can do is just enjoy it and embrace the challenges that are ahead.
Tá méid ag súil go mór leis gan dabht tá méid ag tréanáil agus ag cleachtú go hána bhaith ar fad agus tá atmosfér gomach sa campa freisin.
Yeah, tá muid ag snú go mór leis an comórtas. Yeah, ceapam go bhfuil like galore tréanáil déanta goin tá gach duine like ag an áit tá siad a géirí a bheith agus tá muid like ag súil go mór leis an céad bouta ag an buinte seo.
An bé muid ag fécintear gach eile forann mar ceap muid go mbeadh craobh inar lámha agus ní raibh sé mar sin so bé muid ag fécintear gach eile forann. Is rud ionach bródú le bheith an telefís. Bíonn sé ionach na cluiche eáil ar an telefís, tá sé maid an na cailíní níos óige bheith an fécintear na ban sin sé ar an telefís cos é leis fear.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it now. I suppose we've put in so much hard work for months, so this is what we're training for. So yeah, really looking forward to it to start. Previous 2 years we've gotten into the semi-final, so we're hoping this year that we'll break that trend and we'll get to the All-Ireland final in Craobh Park, hopefully.
We're only new to junior, so this is a new experience for us. We haven't really played these teams before. You know, we'll be looking forward to playing new teams and having a good challenge against them.
Bígí linn go Craobh TG4 TG4 I bhealnaán a tosú ar an 7 go mbeadh.